Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do a spring closet clean out. And show you all the things that I'm getting rid of for the spring because our clocks just moved forward where I live, so I'm so excited. And it's going to be brighter later, which means that I can go for a walk after work if I want to, so I'm so excited. So I thought I would show you what I do to kind of clean out my closet. My closet is a disaster right now, and I thought I would just show you how I clean it out. And I also have a bunch of stuff over here in my cubes that I need to clean out. So right now I'm currently in my like home office slash like dressing room. Thought I would show you my closet, and don't judge because there is a lot of stuff up here. So I have like, it's kind of crazy, like I have like camera boxes, iPad boxes, I think I even have my laptop box up there. I have a beach bag that I bought, photo albums, a pillow, like, and then all right here. And there's normally how I organize my stuff, like I put my dresses back here, my blazers and stuff, which obviously I don't wear because I don't go into the office, and then I normally put like longer sleeve shirts here, short sleeve shirts, and then go all the way to tank top. And then I have these like shelves over here, which just has like my filing system, and then like just like a bunch of random boxes. I even have shoes and stuff down here, and then all down here is just a big mess. So my game plan is to go through my closet, what have I not worn in the last 6 months to a year, and put that in a box to either give away or I'll try to sell it. But I don't know how much of my stuff I'm actually going to try to sell. But there is some stuff that I do need to keep, like blazers and stuff, even though I really haven't worn them in the last year. When we do go back to the office, like I'm going to need to keep those because they are in really good condition. So yeah, there's those too. But I thought I would just kind of show you a little montage of me cleaning this stuff out. I love watching cleaning videos, so I thought it would be fun. So yeah, I will set you up and I'll get to cleaning. All right, sounds good. So this is like an old blazer, it just doesn't fit me anymore. I have this little cardigan, it just looks very tired. And then I have this like old splashy jacket, so I'm just gonna donate that. And then this dress, I love this dress so much. I got it from Ardeen a few years ago. I'm finally gonna let it go. It has a few rips in it, but I loved it for the summer. It was such a cute dress to wear on a boat, and just, yeah, but it's time to say goodbye to this dress as well. But I did make a lot of progress. I'll stop you. I did make a lot of progress cleaning through. Oh, I found this dress. See, this is why you need to go through your closet, because you find things that you didn't even know you had. Like this has a rip in it, so I'm gonna throw this out. It was just like a black romper. This has stains on it, so do this. But this was actually my grade 12 high school graduation dress, but it's just like kind of aged over time. I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm going to donate this dress. I just never really liked it. It has like a little tie around it. I don't know, it's just not my favorite. But, and the pattern's like not super flattering, so I'm gonna donate this. Flattering on me. And then this dress is from Old Navy. I wore it a lot. quite long. It's too long for me, so I'm gonna donate this too. Also going to donate this dress. I've had this for years. It's from Old Navy, and it's just like a blue and white striped dress. Okay, so update. So the closet looks way better. This is what it looks like now. So I have just all my clothes right here. Looks so much better. The shelves, I cleaned this all off and I just put all the boxes from up here, down here. And I think they look so much better. Here's my shoe rack. I'll just move this across. So I did get rid of some shoes. But yeah, it looks so much better. But now I have to take all my clothes that I used to have in my closet, aka this big pile of clothes, and I really should have gone through all this stuff like many years ago. But anyway, these are all the clothes. I do have some hangers and stuff underneath here, but I'm going to donate all these clothes, so I'm gonna put them in just these reusable bags, and then I'll drop them off at my like closest secondhand store. But yeah, these are my clothes that I'm gonna donate. But yeah, so I feel so much better to get my closet cleared out, and it's just gonna be so much nicer and so much easier to put away laundry. But yeah, that is that. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just put all the clothes that I'm donating in these two bags. So I have this one and this one all going to a local like charity kind of secondhand store thing. So I'm gonna donate all of these. So I think I got like close to like 45 pieces that I'm gonna donate, which is good, and they're all in like really good condition, so I will give those to the secondhand store. But I just thought I would show you what my closet looks like now. It looks so much better. So these are all the hangers that I got stuff to donate, and then what I did is I organized it kind of by color. So I did like a white, most of it's patterned, and then I went into yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, like a burnt orange color, blue, and then pattern black, and then I went into like jackets. So I did like black jackets, green, blue, red, pink, purple, and then some taupe, white, light gray, and then all back here are my dresses, rompers, all that kind of stuff. So most of the stuff that I gave away was like old dresses that I just like don't wear anymore or I've worn a lot. And then all over here is just like boxes of stuff, and then my files, and then yeah, just like keyboard and stuff. And then I have like just some extra stuff down there, and then this is my shoe rack. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I did my spring closet tour slash just taking a bunch of clothes and donating them and throwing out stuff that's either ripped or I just won't wear anymore. But yeah, so I'm very excited. It looks so nice, and it's makes me feel so much better that it's organized now and that everything is good to go. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, let me know and I'll do other series of cleaning, spring cleanouts. So I have this big chest back here that has a bunch of stuff in it, and then I have my cubes here, and then I have all my downstairs clothes that I have in my room. So yeah, I have lots of stuff that I could really clean out, but it feels so much better to have this amount of clothes to donate. So yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, please like, comment down below what you're cleaning this spring. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Had more of your smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness